Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make sure you don't spend your hard-earned cash on junk. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a freshly printed filament. The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo and the Creality 2024 new version Creality K1C. Let's dive in and see which one is right for you. First up, assembly. The Ender 3v2 Neo boasts an easy assembly process. 3 steps and you're done. Even your grandma could put this thing together without breaking a sweat. Reviewers appreciate how straightforward the setup is, though some mention checking the Z-axis motor alignment. On the other hand, the K1C is plug and play right out of the box, similar to a new smartphone. Reviewers love this hassle-free setup, making it perfect for those who want to start printing immediately. Next, we've got bed leveling. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes with CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling, which is praised by users for making sure prints come out perfect. However, some mention a learning curve with different filaments. The K1C, on the other hand, has comprehensive auto-calibration, including Z-offset, leveling, and input shaping. Reviewers are impressed with its precision and ease of use, avoiding the traditional paper leveling tests. Now, let's talk speed. The Ender 3v2 Neo is reliable but not the fastest, similar to a dependable old sedan. Reviewers appreciate its consistency but note it's not for those in a hurry. The K1C boasts speeds 12 times faster than average printers, earning it high praise from users who value speed and efficiency. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, making it ideal for those who want quick results. Moving on to the extruder and materials. The Ender 3v2 Neo features a full metal extruder that's durable and reduces nozzle blockages, which reviewers find impressive for a budget printer. The K1C takes it up a notch with a clog-free direct extruder capable of handling carbon fiber filament and printing at 300 degrees Celsius. Users are thrilled with its versatility and high-performance capabilities. Let's not forget the user interface. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a new 4.3-inch UI with a model preview function and supports 9 languages. Reviewers find it user-friendly and appreciate the language options. Meanwhile, the K1C features a smart AI function with a 1 micrometer resolution AI LiDAR and an AI camera that recognizes spaghetti failures. Users love its advanced, tech-savvy features, making it feel like a 3D printing babysitter. Finally, the cooling system. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a PC spring steel magnetic build plate that's great for adhesion and easy removal, which reviewers find effective. But the K1C comes with an upgraded cooling structure featuring 3 fans. Users are highly impressed with its superior cooling, ensuring prints stay cool and precise. Overall, the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo is praised by reviewers for its ease of assembly, reliability, and budget-friendly price. It's a great option for beginners willing to invest some time in learning. The Creality 2024 new version Creality K1C, however, is lauded for its speed, advanced features, and high-quality prints, making it a top choice for those who want the best performance right out of the box. So there you have it, folks. The Ender 3v2 Neo is the budget-friendly option that's easy to assemble and reliable, while the K1C is the high-speed, high-tech beast that's ready to print like a boss. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you and your wallet. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.